What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're taking a look at Acadle, a white label solution that lets you create courses, learning paths, live video classes, discussion forums, and so much more. Is this you? Be honest. Your course content is all over the place. Engagement is in the gutter, and you're wasting more time wrestling with tech than actually teaching. Well, buckle up because Acadle is about to change your life. Acadle is an educator's dream, and it's white-labeled and ready to rock. Everything's customizable, from the logo to the colors, even the domain. The dashboard is where you'll find all the good stuff. You can see how your courses are performing, what people think of them, and all that jazz. Now, when it comes to course building, you've got options. You go the traditional route and pack your courses with lessons and quizzes, or you can create engaging video courses. Acadle even lets you launch live courses so you can get instant feedback and host Q&A sessions. You can also make really sick landing pages to promote your courses. This deal on Acadle is already pretty legit. But if you really want to hit the ground running, upgrade to the Tier 3 plan and unlock 600 users, 6 team members, and 30 gigs of storage. Now, let's talk lessons. You've got more options than a buffet. Videos, quizzes, surveys, you name it. Here's a pro tip. Save your lessons as templates. That way, when you make a change in one place, it updates everywhere. Acadle has also got this thing called Engage. It's like Facebook for learning, and you're Mark Zuckerberg. This feature lets users chat, discuss, and share ideas. Now, if you want to get granular, you'll love the segment feature. Segment lets you target specific users based on anything, course progress, location, whatever. Then you can also send personalized emails automatically. And don't even get me started on the analytics. You can track everything. There's also a bunch of integrations, gamifications, and loads of other premium features. Acadle does it all. So whether you're training employees, educating clients, or selling courses, Acadle got you. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's going to transform the way you teach. So grab this lifetime deal while you still can. Click that Buy Now button and start building courses with Acadle today.